this picture using the PixArt. PixArt is a mobile app for editing, so if you have a mobile phone and you can edit your pictures in PixArt. So don't worry about the skills if you are not more skillful and don't have the Photoshop and big heavy systems for editing. So this is for you. You can inspire from that one to get idea. Here I will add the border around it. Again we are going for the shape addition in it. So then pick a border around that shape, give them a color, add some shadow